When life feels overwhelming. When fear, stress, and uncertainty seem nonstop. It's easy to feel emotionally and mentally exhausted. But during a crisis, the goal is not to panic. The goal is to stay centered, calm, and clear enough to move forward one step at a time. Here are a few simple practices that can help. First, pause and breathe deeply. Your nervous system may already be overloaded and constantly on high alert. Slow, deep breathing helps calm the body and mind. Take a slow breath in through your nose and gently exhale through your mouth. Even a few minutes of conscious breathing can reduce anxiety and restore clarity. Second, limit information overload. Constant exposure to distressing news and endless doom scrolling can intensify fear and stress. Stay informed, but avoid checking the news or social media repeatedly throughout the day. Your mind also needs periods of rest and silence to recover emotional balance. Third, practice meditation on twin hearts. Meditation helps quiet the mind and release inner tension. One of the most powerful ways to overcome fear is to shift your focus towards service, kindness, and blessing others. Praying for people, sending thoughts of peace and goodwill, or doing small acts of kindness can uplift both you and those around you. Fourth, use positive affirmations. Your thoughts affect your emotional state. Repeat uplifting affirmations such as, I am calm, I am strong, I can handle this situation. The Soul Affirmation by Master Choa Kok Sway is also a powerful way to shift your awareness from emotional fear to inner calmness and higher consciousness. Fifth, focus on what you can control. In times of crisis, many things are outside our control. Instead of worrying about everything, focus on constructive actions you can take. Support your loved ones. Take care of your health. Help your community. Pay attention to your breathing, your posture, and your daily habits. Focus on what you can do, and do that well. And finally, try Pranic Psychotherapy. Pranic Psychotherapy is a technique used in pranic healing to help cleanse and release negative emotions such as fear, worry, anger, and stress from the energy body. By removing congested energies and replacing them with fresh prana, emotional balance and inner calm can often be restored more quickly. Remember, even during difficult times, you do not have to lose your inner peace. Take care of your body, mind, emotions, and energy, one step at a time. And if you would like more videos like this on healing, meditation, and emotional well-being, subscribe to our channel and stay connected.